And what it do, YouTube, is the next day we're gonna do these rear subframe inserts. Here you can see the old transmission mount and the old transmission insert. Glad we made the change and put those mounts and inserts, the mount and the insert in the car yesterday, because now the car is actually faster. So again, guys, let's get to it. What I'm gonna try to do first is to remove this rear subframe insert, and I don't have a breaker bar or pry bar, so hopefully this impact wrench could do me justice if I put it on level 2. Don't laugh at me for using this. Alright guys, so I ended up getting a breaker or pry bar from my neighbor. Looks like you do need that, so we'll use a small one first, see if we can get access to where we gotta go. I'm not gonna lie, that took some effort. And here we have our grease from yesterday when we did our inserts. I'm just gonna put it right here on these locations, right? Alright guys, so quick comparison before I put the other one in. It's the insert right here, nice thick. Alright, and this is the previous one. Like, this is a piece, this is a sheet of aluminum foil. Like, I don't know if you can see that. That's literally exactly what it is. It's literally what this is. So, I can't even, like, use your brain. You could, why would you even try to, like, this is nutty. So, this is off. Just wanted to let you guys know that, but that's exactly what you're dealing with. So, I'm gonna put the other one on now, and then I'm gonna see if I can start the the front rear ones. So, put this back in. What happened? Okay. Wife told me to come eat. So guys, guess what we're gonna do? Ooh. All right, guys, be right back. Gotta do. I mean, this far I've been reusing the same old bolts, but I have a 2021 vehicle, and I just felt like, I don't know, these bolts shouldn't be that bad. So this part is the part that's gonna take a lot of time, only because it's just glued on the actual, like I think it's one part, and I think you have to break it, like. Oh wow, easier this time. Just by turning it like that. All right, fellas. And let's put this plastic piece, right? Take that off. So this is what Audi gave us before, right? And here's the replacement, right? You see that's pretty substantial. So let's lube this thing up, oil it, and lube that thing up. So that'll go right here. The specs on these is 130 Newton meters based off the manual. ChatGPT said 90 Newton meters for all four. I don't know if that's right. I say go tight because I do launches, and I don't know. I just hope 034 would be right on this instead of ChatGPT. So I did get B9, S4, and S5 instructions. You can email the support team. However, the support team is what gave me these instructions. Right now, it's already torqued to 130 Newton meters because of the previous one. We're gonna tighten this up. Okay. So this is what a lot of people do. A lot of people like to mark it, an arrow, right, or a line, and then it'll turn, and you'll see 180 degrees, of course. What I'm gonna do is this R is right here. I didn't break anything this time, other than the things that were supposed to be broken. That's everything. That's all 4 subframe inserts. Now the first two were supposed to be spec'd to 90 Newton meters, 180 degrees afterwards. And then this one was 130 Newton meters and then 180 degrees again. Both sides are done now. I'm gonna wipe them down, put the plastic pieces back on, and get ready to go on a drive to the car meet. And so I'll probably get a car wash as well. Thank God I got this active 2.0 pressure washer. I'm excited. Okay guys, so before I end off this video, the car to me, personally, no launches, no anything, it just feels tighter. I don't know what it is. I don't feel any added NVH. I don't feel anything. Like I don't feel anything other than the fact that, like, I don't know, like the car just feels, for lack of a better expression, more put together. It feels more tightly coiled, more tightly knitted. I don't know, like there were a couple times where I was bobbing and weaving for sure in Mexico, and you know, I was doing it at pretty substantial speeds, and I just felt more confident in the car now than I did before, and I'm still on all seasons again. I don't know, it's just less sloppy, and I know that's what 034 says, that's what everybody else, the word that everybody else has used, but it's just, it is the best word to use. It's just less sloppy, it's less loose, it's less, for lack of a better description, it's less complacent. I don't think there's any slippage. I don't feel like I'm losing any traction. And so, like, it's money well spent, in my opinion. Now, I'm gonna make sure I do the things that I told you guys I was gonna do with the insert. I'm going to make sure I use that blue Loctite, so no vibrations, you know, take the screw out. I thank you guys for tuning into this video, man. Got a couple of things cooked up or cooking up, so I'm glad that we got those inserts finally in, because I bought them like almost like 8 months ago, so should be good to go, man. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you guys don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever the things you got to do so I can get more content out to you guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.